Hi there folks, thanks for tuning in. So in this video we're going to have a walk around my Ducati Monster 937. We're going to have a look at some of the parts that I bought for the bike, see if any of them takes your fancy on what you would like to buy for your 937. So my Monster was the Plus version, which come with the fly screen, the belly pan and the rear seat cowl over the standard version. So if we start by looking at the front wheel, we can see that we have some Evotech parts, the brake caliper guards, and also the front fork protectors. Moving up to the radiator, we can see we have the Evotech radiator guard. Radiator guard costing $82.99. The brake caliper guards $34.99, and you can buy the front and rear fork protectors, spindles, for £70. Here's that lovely looking exhaust from Mivv. Italian style, very naughty looking. We'll listen to that in a moment. There's the rear wheel spindle. So it comes as a set, £70 with the front. As stock, Diablo Rosso 3 Pirelli tyres. Fantastic tyres. There's that lovely 937cc engine. 111 brake horsepower, 93 Newton meters of torque. The radiator guard from the other angle, and the left hand side of the front wheel Evotech parts. So moving to the top of the bike, we have the Ducati Monster tank pad. That will cost you £35, and the lowered seat, lowering the seat by 20mm, that will cost you around £120. Gorgeous lines on this bike. These Rizoma Spy R glass mirrors are fantastic. Best mirrors I've ever seen, ever. So crystal clear. Can't recommend them enough. However, £148 each. They're not cheap. But you do get what you pay for with them mirrors. Best mirrors I've ever used. Let's start up the bike, see what she sounds like. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope this video has given you some ideas about what you'd like to do for your Ducati Monster 937. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will get back to you. Other than that, ride safe. See you in the next one. Cheerio!